This is one. Hi children. So in the previous class we have discussed exercise 1.2 problems no children. So next we will continue children. So already ma'am told you definition of the rational number no. So the numbers which are in the form of p by q form, which are in p by q form are called where q not equal to 0 and p comma q belongs to integers are called rational numbers. See, rational numbers we will represent rational numbers in decimal form children. How we will represent it in decimal form? See, for example, 5 by 4 is there. So 5 by 4 is a rational number or not? Yes, it is a rational number because it is in p by q form and q not equal to 0. In other way we can say division form and chappacha. Yes, we can say it is a division form. That means we divide 5 with 4. Let's divide it 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4, how much we got children remainder? 0. But I don't want remainder 0. I want the remainder, so I don't want remainder 1. I want remainder 0 children. So for that, I am keeping a point that is decimal point. So if I am keeping one decimal point means I can keep 0. 1 0. So now we can divide this 10 no. So for 2's 8. So how much remainder I got? 2. So I already kept a decimal point no. So that's why we can keep 1 0. For 5's 20. Then I got the remainder 0. So what is the decimal form of 5 by 4? 1.25. So decimal form of 5 by 4 is 1.25. Okay, decimal form of 5 by 4 is 1.25. Like that, we can represent the rational number into decimal number. Rational number into decimal number. So what happened? Remainder we got 0. That means it is terminated. That the division process stopped there. Terminated means stopped. అక్కడతో ఆగిపోయింది. రిమైండర్ 0 వచ్చేసిందంటే మనకి డివిజన్ ఇక్కడతో ఆగిపోయినట్టే కదా. So that's why it is called terminating decimal number. This is the terminating decimal number. This is the terminating decimal number. This is terminating decimal children. Okay. I am writing one more example here. See, if I take another number, 2 by 3 children. 2 by 3 is a rational number. Yes. That means with 3 we have to divide 2. Okay. So see, but here divisor is bigger number and dividend is small number. So for that, I am keeping point 0 point. If I keep point means in the starting itself, what happens? We can keep 0 here. So in 3 table, what is the nearest number to 20? This is 18. So how much I remember I got? 2. Already we kept a decimal point 1, so we can keep 0 here. Again this is 18. Again I got remainder 2. Again we can keep 0. If I keep one decimal point means I can keep zeros many times. 1 0 many times. So again 18. Again I got remainder 2. That means this process is continuous. This process is continuous. That means here division process not stopped. That means I didn't get 0. How many times I divide also I will get the remainder 2 only. I won't get the remainder 0. That means the quotient will become 0.66666 and so on. Like this it will come 0.66666 and so on. I won't get the remainder 0. That means it is not terminating. It is not stopping. So that's why this decimal is called non-terminating. Non-terminating decimal. That's why this decimal is called non-terminating decimal. So 2 by 3 is equal to 0.666 and so on. So here which one is repeating here? 6 number is repeating. So that's why I am writing 6 bar. So the number which is repeating So on that number, if we keep bar means it is the repeated number like that we can know. So decimal numbers, we are having two types of decimal numbers are there: terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. So like this we can change rational number into decimal number in both ways. Okay children? Yes. Yes, see children. So what are these decimals? These are the terminating decimals. Then what about this one? What is happening here? See, here 1/6 is repeating, and so on I kept here. That means it is repeating. 1/6 is repeating. So for that I can write 4.16 bar. This bar represents repeating number. Bar represents repeating number. This is the non-terminating decimal. If it is given like this, if it is given like bar I kept only on 6. That means we can expand like this. 6 only repeating here. Only 6 is repeating. Now 1, 2 not repeating. Only 6 is repeating. The number which repeats, for that only we are keeping bar. So for the repeated number only we are keeping bar symbol. Understand children? This is the terminating decimals and these are the non-terminating decimals. Now we will learn how to change decimal number into P by Q form. Decimal numbers into P by Q form. Decimal to rational form. Decimal to rational children. For example, 4.67 is there. 4.67. This is the decimal number or not? Yes. I have to change right into rational number. So how we will write? Just remove the point by keeping 1 in the denominator. Instead of point, I am keeping 1. So point after how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. That's why we are writing 2 zeros. Then it will become 467 by 100. Like this, 4.67 changed into 467 by 100. P by Q form. Like this, we can change decimal number to rational form. Understand children? I will write one more example. 75.2 is there. So change into decimal form. Sorry, P by Q form. So 75.2. I am removing point children. So instead of point, I am writing one. Point after point right side, how many digits are there? 1 digit is there. So that's why I am writing 10. Then it will become 752 by 10. Like this we can change decimal number to rational number. Which decimal is one? Terminating decimal. Then what about the non-terminating decimal? This is the terminating decimal. And I am discussing about non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. For example, 4.6 bar is there. How we have to change this non-terminating decimal to rational number? 4.6 here. For changing non-terminating decimal into rational number children, we have to discuss two names children, period and periodicity. Period means the number, yes, period means the repeated number is called period children. Repeated number, whatever the number repeated, that is called period. Periodicity means how many numbers are repeating. How many numbers are number of digits repeating. Number of digits repeating is called periodicity. Repeated number is called period. Number of digits repeating is called periodicity. So these two names you have to remember children. See, based on these two numbers, this is the most important problem children. This one only we have to learn thoroughly. So let's x equal to 4.6 bar. So I am expanding this 4.6 bar means what does it mean? We have to write expanded form and so on. So this is our first number, first equation. So what is the period here? Period is a repeating number. What is the number repeating here? 6. That's why period is 6. What is the periodicity? How many numbers are repeating here? Only one number is repeating. So periodicity is 1. If only one number is repeating, then we have to multiply the equation with 10. If it is the periodicity is 2, we have to multiply the equation with 100. If the periodicity is 3, we have to multiply the equation with 1000. If period is 1, period 1 means we have to multiply with 10. If period is 2, we have to multiply with 100. If period is 3, we have to multiply with 1000. This one we have to remember, children. If periodicity is if periodicity is 1, we have to multiply the equation with 10. If periodicity is 2, that means 2 numbers are repeating, means we have to multiply with 100. If 3 numbers, periodicity is 3, we have to multiply with 1000. So here periodicity is 1. So equation 1 is multiplied with 10. So then it will become 10 into x, that is 10 into 4.666 and so on. So then it will become 10x. If I multiply 4.6 with 10, what it will become, children? Left point will move to which side? Left side or right side? Right side. Point will move to right side. One digit, 1 0 is there, means 1 digit right side it will move. So 46.666 and so on. This is our equation 2. Now what we have to do? Subtract from 2 1. We have to subtract from 1 from 2. So 10x equal to 46.666 and so on. X equal to, what is the first equation? 4.666 and so on. So I am doing subtraction here. 10x minus x, that is 9x. This is 0 0. 6 minus 4 2, 42. So that implies 9x equal to 42.0 means 42. So x equal to 42 by 9. So this is the rational form or not? Rational number or not? This is the decimal number and this is the rational number. Decimal number change into rational number. Understand, children? Like this, we can change decimal number, non-terminating decimal number to rational number. Like this, you have to do, children. I will tell one more example also. So one more example I will tell, children. See, 15.732 bar is upon only 32. So that means how many numbers we are repeating? Only 2 numbers. So let me write, let x equal to 15.732 bar. So 32 bar means we can expand 32, that means 32 is repeating. So what is the repeating number here? 32. So as usual, this is the first equation. So what is the period here, children? Here period is repeated number. What is the number repeating here? 32. So then it is the period. Okay. Then what is the periodicity here? So how many digits are repeating here? Only 2 digits are repeating. So periodicity is 2. If periodicity is 2, we have to multiply equation 1 with just I told before, no, if periodicity is 1, we have to multiply the equation with 10. If periodicity is 2, we have to multiply the equation 1 with 100. So I am multiplying equation 1 with 100. So 100 into equation 1, children. So then it will become 100 into x. So that equal to 100 into 15.73232 and so on. So 100 into x, how much then? It is 100x. So I am multiplying 100 with this decimal number. So here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there means this decimal point will move 2 digits right side. Then it will become 1573. Then 23232 and so on. This is the equation 2. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from the equation 2. Subtract 1 from equation 2. So I am subtracting 1 from equation 2. So 100x equal to how much we got? 1573.23232 and so on. So what is the first equation we got? This is the first equation. So 15.73232 and so on. So I am doing subtraction here. 100x minus x. In 100x if we subtract 1x, how much we will get? 99x. See, this is 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 2 minus 7 is possible children? No, we have to borrow. 12 minus 7, how much we will get? 5. After this point is there, again we got here 2, 2 minus 5, again 12 minus 5, 7, 6 minus 1, 5, 1557.5. So x equal to 1557.5 by 99. So if you move this point by keeping 0, 15575 by 990. So we'll change the non-terminating decimal number into rational number. If you can cancel this number into simplest form. Otherwise, we can leave like this. Like this, you have to do the period and periodicity problems, changing non-terminating decimal numbers into rational numbers.